Hello everyone, welcome back to Automation. Do you know you can create multiple virtual desktop on your physical machine and you can use it alongside your main desktop? For instance, as you can see, I have two desktop right here. Desktop 1 is my physical desktop. So as you can see on desktop 1, I have Microsoft Word open. I have my File Explorer. I have my Firefox browser and I have my Chrome browser open. So if I toggle down to desktop 2, so here I have Brave browser open, where I have my YouTube open. I have my Chrome browser open, where I have my Spotify open and my Facebook open. And I also have a video player open on desktop 2. So why do I have different desktop on my PC? Now, like I said, the virtual desktop is like having multiple desks in your office. Let's say you have three desks. You have desk 1 where you have your personal project. For instance, you are researching on a project. Okay, for instance, I have this particular desktop here where I open only social media websites. I have my Facebook, I have Spotify, I have this other browser with YouTube open, and also I also have a video player here. I have another desk, call it desk 2, and inside this desk 2 I have my work. This is Canva, my video thumbnails. I also have this other one for my video editing at YouTube, and I also have File Explorer here and my Microsoft Word document here. So I can have up to desk 3 for personal stuff and another personal stuff. Now the good side of this is that virtual desktop makes you see one desktop at a time, but I can instantly switch between them with a click or a keyboard shortcut, and this keeps my work organized and I will not be distracted. For instance, when I'm working on a project, I will not be distracted from my social media activity. So you can technically define virtual desktop as a software-based operating system environment that allows you to create and manage multiple and isolated workspaces on a single physical computer. So let's get started. How do you create a virtual desktop? You create a virtual desktop. I'm going to go ahead to, okay, let's keep the desktop I've created. So how do I create a virtual desktop? To create a virtual desktop, go over to your task view here on Windows 10. Click on the task view. It's going to open the desktop you have. Desktop 1 is my main desktop. Desktop 2 is the virtual desktop I just created. So to create another desktop, click on plus here, new desktop, and you've created desktop number 3. So here you can see it's fresh, a fresh desktop. So I don't have anything here. You can go ahead and open anything you want to do on this desktop. So if you want to switch between desktop, you press on Windows key and you press on the tab. So you can switch between desktop 3 to desktop 2. You press again, you can switch to desktop 1. So another way to create a desktop, a virtual desktop with shortcut, is by pressing Windows key plus Control plus D. It's going to create another virtual desktop. So be sure that your RAM have the capacity to carry as many desktop as you can create. So if I go to the task view, you can see I have 4 desktop now. So if I want to close any desktop, over your mouse to the desktop, press the plus, press the X sign here to close it. You're going to press the X sign here to close it. So another thing you need to understand about a virtual desktop is that whenever you close a virtual desktop, for instance, if we are playing music, if I was playing this video, this is a video player. If I start playing it, so whenever I close the virtual desktop, if this was playing on a virtual desktop, if I close it, the video automatically or the music automatically transfer to the main desktop. So if I go ahead and close this current virtual desktop that I am now, I can close it with Windows Control F4. So that video player automatically moves to my main desktop. So if I go to task view now, you can see I have only one desktop, which is the main desktop. There's no virtual desktop currently available here. So guys, thanks for watching the video. That's how to create a virtual desktop for easy work. Do support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video.